Here is auto answer settings on your Poco or Xiaomi phone, which allows your phone to automatically answer an incoming call when you have a connected Bluetooth device, a headset, or just using the phone all the time. To get into these settings, this is the phone app here, and you can tap on the three dots right here and tap it on the settings here one time. Once here now, you will see all these options. Go to calling accounts, and this is going to give you these set of options. You'll see the auto answer here. Go ahead and tap on that one time. And of course, once you're here, you want to turn this on. You'll see these options here. And then you got these other options here as well as to when the auto answer will work. So it's either always, which means whether you have a connected device, the phone itself, or simply only when you have a headset only, a Bluetooth only, or both of these devices here. And of course, you can also change how long it takes for it to auto answer. Now you can come back here and change these settings, and also you can turn this off if you don't like the feature.